there. Keep it up there. Keep it up there. Keep it up there. But put your hip down. Keep it up, but put your hip down. There you go. Ooh, his hip flexors are tight. So we might need to stretch those first.
Okay.
Because if I had to guess, he cheated when he did his straight leg raise. Yeah. So do you see how I'm stretching them? All right.
Stretch like that.
Yep. 3 for 30 seconds.
Alright, you ready?
How are we doing?
Good.
Oh, yeah. All right. Can we do this?
No. Should I You feel the stretch?
Oh.
off my shoes?
No.
No?
Oh,
No,
maybe
not like
you
that.
did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did the gym.
Go ahead and have a seat. I'm gonna go find a beanbag.
Feel stretch at all this one?
You're gonna have to really
Yeah.
bend that knee.
This lotion's making your leg all slippery.
I know.
Feel it?
Number.
I feel it in the quad.
No. What number
Starting to feel it now?
And
Quad?
are we on? We're on number 5. Alright.
His hip is still up. It's not up. It's here. It's like you have to keep that hip down.
So what's the
That's why I think you're gonna have to stand.
stand?
And you can raise the mat, because I'm a short woman. That knee as I want.
Last one.
Okay. And you can back off to give him a little less stretch. But he's got to keep this part down. He's lifting through here.
You can take a seat if you want. Is that better? Does that feel?
yes,
Last one.
You love it. You love it, Terrell. Now the other thing that we could do, since he is so tight,
Yeah.
is I'll build up some towels under his thighs so I don't have to worry about moving him up there.
You doing okay?
Okay, and then as you go closer, his stretch is gonna increase. So just kind of let him hang out here and try to get him to get more weight down. Yeah, on that hip.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, there's the
Yep.
yeah.
Alright, so.
Is that a good stretch or?
Yeah, no, just, yeah.
So see how I'm just kind of, it's just enough to tilt her. Do you feel more stretch?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can move the
How you
beanbag
doing?
closer and closer.
Okay.
To get more and more.
You know when you feel the stretch, okay? Do you feel it?
I feel it, but it's in the quad.
Best in the quad? Okay.
It's not in the hip.
Alright.
Did you feel it in the hip or chin?
Yes. Like it's
Yeah.
up here.
I
Okay.
think so.
Okay.
I don't know.
See.
Alright.
Alright.
There we go. Yeah, that's
This is much better.
Yeah.
It's better. See?
Well, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys keep working. That's awesome.
Do one more, okay?
mm-hmm.
I am trying.
You're doing awesome though. He's like, that's not what I want to hear.
Thank you.
Alright, ready? One more.
So it's more like you're pushing the head down.
There it is.
10%.
Do you feel it?
Yes.
Breathe.
There we go. So that's part of his other issue. He's fighting himself and gravity and weakness and tightness.
All right. How you feeling?
Okay.
That's 3
All right.
What
So
are you
now let's see. 2. Now you can feel it. Try.
Is it better standing up?
It is. I think it is. And I can raise it if you're, because you're taller
Yeah,
than
can
I
you
am.
raise it up just a little bit? All right, can you raise it up for me?
Me or Jim?
Yep.
That's
you
as high as it goes.
raise.
See what I mean? And you can feel it under your hand, right?
Yeah, the glute engages.
That is much better. All right, 10.
2.
Yeah.
All right, now march.
Okay, I want you to kind of hold it up. Just keep it up
Now
just a
we're
little
going to
bit.
move that thing a little more.
Relax.
I
5
want
more.
to see after you march 10 times.
Hold it, hold it,
I'm going to
hold
move
it,
that knee
hold
back
it.
under
Go.
your foot more.
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
So let her march 10 times first.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready. Go,
Because we
go,
want to
go,
make
go.
sure she
Hold
can
it,
feel
hold
take
it,
her
hold
weight,
it, hold
right?
it. Go.
All of her weight. Can you pick up the whole foot?
Ready?
This one?
Yeah.
Raise it up,
What
raise it
about
up. Hold it, hold it,
not?
hold it, hold it, hold it. Good job.
I would love it if you could
2
do
more,
that.
okay?
No,
Ready?
because I am.
Go, 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 go. 2, 3, go. 1 more.
Uh-huh.
No.
Yeah. You were using your arm,
Hold,
weren't
hold,
you?
hold, hold,
That's
hold,
So
hold,
shift
hold.
your weight.
Good job.
Squeeze your butt.
I don't know.
You don't remember? You screamed. It hurt so bad.
Really?
You were like, no. And you were like,
Your toes are coming out.
and now look at you. Now you can march. We were just doing weight shifts the first time we did this. And I was letting you use your arm.
Yeah.
And now look at you. All right, now let me see you march that left leg 10 times. 1. 2. How much is he pushing in?
Oh, and to me, no.
Oh,
None.
okay.
Maybe like 25%.
11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't let him use you. Like, if he starts to push on you, give it. Like, give way. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I don't want him to use you.
He's doing a lot
Alright.
better. Barely
Alright.
push.
Now grab me a step. Move that butt. Stand on that leg. 1. See how he kind of fell away from you? So you've got to pull him in. Make him stay over there. 2. Ooh, can you tell that you're falling away?
Yeah.
Get over there. Think shift, lift. Shift, lift. 4. Oh, you got to shift all the way over. Lean over.
I don't like this chair.
Oh, do you want one without wheels?
I'm gonna try it.
Because that's okay. You sit down for a second. Let's find a second chair without wheels.
Yes?
There you go.
In your foot, like your brace is too
tight on it?
Yes. Okay.
Is that a good hop or a bad hop?
Kind of this
Sounds
upper
good.
part of it.
Well, yeah, my
No.
leg is a good
The
part.
lower part? Yes.
Alright. Now it's your job to tell him when his butt comes out,
That's
when
a
he
little
needs to
better, a little
straighten
bit
his
more?
knee, when he needs
No.
to shift
That's
over.
good. Yeah.
You are giving him
Okay.
feedback.
Alright. Okay.
Alright.
2. Ready? Yep. I'm ready.
While you wait on that leg before you do it.
Squeeze your
Yeah.
butt.
Now hold it.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
I know. You
Bring it
gotta
over
break.
towards me a
You gotta
little
break.
bit. Okay.
Oh, make it tight.
Squeeze your butt, squeeze your butt, squeeze your butt.
There you go. That's a good one.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job with the arm. I'm not really having to hold too much. Are we counting? I'm not counting.
No.
7, 8.
You mean you held it for a long time though?
It was probably 30.
It was not 30.
I believe it was.
There you go.
Squeeze your butt cheeks.
6, 7, 8. Just look at it up there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Good job.
14,
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
15, 16, 17,
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
18, 19, 20. Put down. Good. Alright.
Okay.
One, 2, 3,
Squeeze your butt
4,
cheeks.
5, 6,
Think you can go to
7,
15?
8,
Sure.
9, 10,
5 more
11,
then.
12,
Squeeze, squeeze,
13,
squeeze. Nice and tall.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Wait, wait, I'm
Uh-huh. That's what we want him to do.
Okay.
Okay? But you remember how hard it was for him to do it prone, right?
Yeah.
So when he does it, he's gonna wanna march.
Uh-huh.
So it's your job to keep his knee here. So when he shifts forward, we get this stretch on the hip
Keep
flexor.
it straight.
And then you might have to bend down and kind of help him a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so shift your weight, give me your belly up tall, and bend that knee.
8. The only thing I worry about is
Uh-huh.
falling.
Him or you?
Him.
So that's why we've given him the cane.
Uh-huh.
You have him.
10.
If he falls forward, your arm's got him.
5 more.
If he falls to the side, the cane's got him.
Uh-huh.
If he falls towards you, the right, you've got him. If for some reason he would fall backwards, you're gonna sit him on your knee like Santa Claus.
8. Alright, 13. And then bend your leg. 14. See, now he's not able to clear the ground. Like his
He's
front
not
foot.
able to clear the ground?
Yeah.
Can you help him? Can you give him a little assistance in that position?
No.
No? Okay, let me get down there. Ooh. That tone is serious. All right, back to the mat for stretching.